Hello friends, greetings from Cygnus Minds. It was indeed an exhilarating experience partnering with Advanced Center for English to conduct a communication workshop for a leading global pharmaceutical company, Zydus. We travelled all the way to Mumbai to conduct the workshop for their team, which caters to gynecologists. This team comprised people of different experience groups. Some were freshers, some were people with experiences of 18, 19 years. Nonetheless, everybody participated with equal enthusiasm. We talked about effective communication, the means to effective communication, the steps to effective communication, how to overcome barriers and challenges, how to make a meaningful impact, and gave them actual small tips in order to make successful closures with doctors and to gain appointments, and how they can overcome the resistance. The day was long. The day was also extremely fulfilling because of the participation, the appreciation that we received, and of course the impeccable hospitality from Zydus. Thank you.